let's take a mindful minute to notice this beautiful view of nature. You're at 40 Hall in Enfield. Take a moment to take a deep breath in and out, slowing down your breathing, enjoying the view of nature. And if you've got some real nature around you, then turning your head to notice that, enjoying the view, listening to the sounds, breathing in and out from your nose, breathing down into your belly. The slower you breathe, the more relaxing you'll find it. Notice any tension in your body and let it release if you can. Enjoying a mindful minute.